Hi, my name is Zin. Today video, I want to show you a cool effect when you create a pop-up with Elementor. So let me show you when I click to any product here and I scrolling down to the base, it will showing the picture of the product and the price of the product. And when you click, it will go back to the top. It happens when you link to any product. Example, I link to another one. So with this product, you can see the price and the picture is different. And then when you scrolling down, the picture and the price will showing here. And click, and it's go back to the top. So let's do it together. So now I am in the back end of the website. Here I open another tab in the front end. So in the back end right now, I go to the template, theme builder. So I go to the single product. So as you can see, I already create the layout for all the product of this website. So right now we need to go to single product, edit with Elementor. Okay, here is the layout of all of the product base, and I will not talk about how to design the layout like this. This is maybe in the next video, but right now just make the anchor points for the whole section here. So I choose the top one of the base. I choose this section. I go to the advanced. So we add the anchor point name here. So I choose the top scrolling. So you can name anything you want in the CSS ID here to make the anchor point, so that when we click to the picture, it will scrolling to the anchor point. So I name is top scroll and update. And then easy to dashboard. So that is we finish the anchor point. So right now we open the pop-up. We go to template, pop-up, and add the new one. For the pop-up here, I can name is pop-up slowing, and click create template. So now we in the pop-up base, and we close this because we don't need to use any template. For change setting here, we go to the corner left here, click to the setting, and now we change the position to the right, the horizontal. The center is good for me, and then we change the width size to be 100 pixels. So we don't need overlays, we don't need close button, and then we go to the style. For the box shadow, I don't need box shadow, and the background, I think I just make transparent background. It's good for me. And go to the advanced. So in the advanced, we have to enable the option prevent closing on ESC key. So that's it for the setting for the pop-up. So right now we click to the section here and add the module. So first I searching image, and we can find the feature image here and drag to here. So the feature image here, you can see the picture right now because like this is the pop-up, it cannot get any data picture from the product, but it will show the product picture right here. And for that, so we need to have some setting for the feature product. For the image side, I choose the thumbnail because I don't want to have the big picture here. Alignment, I maybe choose center, it's fine for me. For the links, we go to the custom URL, and in the custom URL here, we type in top row. So this is the anchor point we already add to the product base. So remember, add the hashtag before it to make it scrolling to the top. And for the picture here, we go to the style. Let's see, I don't think I need to change anything. And for the advanced tab, we go to the motion effect. In the motion effect here, we enable throw effects. So for the throw effects, we want to make the picture scrolling like from the right to left. So we enable horizontal throw and direction to the left, that's correct. And the speed, I choosing 6, and the viewport will be 0 to 50%, because when it's scrolling to 50% of the base, it will slide the picture from right to left. And the transparency, I will make it fade in, it's work for me. And we can change the viewport to be 60. For the 60, 0 to 60, the picture will be fade in slowly. It's really good one. And the level, I choose 15 because I test so many times, and I think 15 is the good number, but you can choose any number and play with that. It maybe work for you. And the important thing here, in the effect related to, we choosing entire base. So that means like when you choose entire base, the pop-up will based on the long as the base and choose scrolling. If you choose the viewport, it just based on your Windows laptop or computer, and the effect will not good one. So important thing to entire base here. And then public. In the public condition, we choose entire base, no. We choose Woocommerce, and it will be applied for all the product. Next, for the trigger, we choose on base road, and the second is 0 because I want when you click to the website, click to the product, the pop-up will show immediately, but it will hide from the scrolling effect. So go next, save, close. So that's already saved. And now we go back to the front end, click to any product. So I click to this one. So when we scrolling down, we will see the product here, and click, it's going up. Scrolling down again, it shows the picture products, but you can see right now we have the small scrolling here. So to hide that, we go back to the pop-up base, we choose the section pop-up here, and then overflow, we choose hidden. Update again. And then I come back here, refresh, and then scrolling down. It's not showing the scroll right now. It's perfect for me. Another one I want to make is I want it to show the price of the product under. So to do that, I choose the button. So I drag the button under the picture in here. I want to remove the gap here, so I click here. I click to the section. I just remove. I click to the square section here, the column, and make it 0. To moving the gap between picture and the button. And now I come back to the button. I choose it in the center. And for the text, I go to dynamic text here, and I choose the Woocommerce product price. As you can see, you cannot see the price right now because it doesn't get any database from the product, but that's fine. For the links, we typing top row because I want it to be click and scrolling to the top, like the picture. For the alignment, I choose justify to make it full width and the same with the picture. And the size, I think it's just small. I don't want it to be very big. For the style, when I come here, so the text should be white, the background should be black. I'm okay with that. For the border, I choose 0. I don't want it to show the border. After that, I go to the advanced. We do the same effect as the picture. So we go to the scrolling effect, horizontal scroll to the left. So this one number 6, and it 0 to 50%. Transparency fade in from 0 to 60. And this one is 15. And don't forget to choose effect relative to entire page. Update. So now we come back to the website, refresh again. When we scrolling down, you will see it's showing the picture with the price, and then when we click, it's go back to the top so people can add to cart or something. The price is $25, and right now if I click to another picture, another product, you can see the product is different, the price is different. But when you scrolling down, the picture here is changed, the price changed, like the product base here. And then if your customer like scrolling to the base and then they click back, it's go to the top again, and they can add to cart something. That's right. And you can put the anchor point anywhere you want. So you can put anchor point right here, so it will rolling perfect here to see the button. But for me, like I feel good with scrolling to the top one. So anything when you click, it's rolling to the top. So I come back to the home page. I click any product here. It will show the same effect here. So that's it. Thank you for watching.